Hey, hi, welcome guys. Welcome back to our channel, which is Five Run. Oops concept came into the picture, but before going to start the oops concept, I would like to tell you one story. Okay, so it will be helpful to you as well as me to understand the flow, complete flow. Wait. Okay, cool. So let's suppose you want to take a phone. You want to take a mobile phone. What you will do? You are going to, let's suppose if we are going to discuss about the older system in the year of 2014 or 2013, how you used to do, how you used to bring the mobile in. Nowadays there is the Flipkart at all those things are there, digital marketing services are there, so with that we can buy this phone, right? But in the age of 2013 or 2014, what used to happen, let's suppose if I want to bring one phone, what I used to do, I used to go in the market, I used to go into the market, right? And in market there are someone is there. In market there are multiple shops are there, like vegetable shops are there, vegetable shops are there, electronic shops are there, and again there is another kind of shops are there, like fruits, vegetable fruit is fine. And what are the different shops are there, I'm not bothering about the multiple shops kind of thing. There is a multiple shops are there, right? Which shop you will select? Electronic shop, because I have to bring my mobile, I have to buy one mobile, so I will go to the particular shop. And in the shop, let's suppose this is my electronic shop. Just try to understand, very very important thing, never will forget. I can give you the assurance, if you want to forget then also you cannot forget. Okay, so electronic shop is there, electronic shop is there. Okay, and this is I went into this shop, and in this shop what is that? This is the owner of the shop, right? I can say manager or something. If you are going to the big shop like Sangeeta or something, Sangeeta is kind of big shop in Karnataka, so it's very popular. So there is a kind of manager is used to sit in the top of this shop. So what is going to be happen, I went into this shop because I want to buy this phone. So should I go into the vegetable shop? No, right? I have to identify the perfect shop, because I want mobile, so I have to go into the mobile shop only. I cannot select this vegetable shop, I cannot select these things, right? So now the thing is that I selected this electronic shop. Okay, and inside of electronic shop I went there. So now this owner is going to ask, hey user flow, what do you want? So now I am a user. As a user, my job is what? I have to give the requirement. I'm telling, are users fellow, you open this electronic shop, should I bring the vegetable? No, right? I need an electronic component only. So don't show this kind of attitude first, right? Don't show this kind of attitude. And yes, so he's asking, okay, what do you want? So he's saying, I am saying, okay, I want one mobile. I want one mobile. Now this person is going to ask, can you please tell me, sir, what is your budget? What the things it is going to be asked? Budget. Make sure budget, then screen size. What are the things you are going to check if you are going to purchase any mobile online? Screen size, right? Screen size is very very important. For me it's not should not be more than 5.5 inch. Screen size, budget, RAM, ROM. And what are the things we are going to check if you are going to buy the phone? RAM, ROM, and Android version also, right? Now we are checking ROM, and second we are checking Android version. Android version. Anything else you are checking? Anything else? Operating system. Yes, very very important. It's a iOS operating system, Android or Windows. Nowadays Windows are not working at all, so iOS are going to work. Okay, anyway, so these are the three I can say six things we are going to check. Array, one thing that I forget, camera. Yes, it's very very important nowadays, right? Camera. So what is pixel is the front end and back end, sorry, front camera and back camera, right? These are the things we have to check, right? So these are the requirement this person, this manager is going to ask, and you are going to give, okay, my budget is 15,000, and screen size should be 5.5 inch. RAM should be I can say 8 GB, and ROM should be, I can say, 1 TB, Android version should be 10, OS should be Android, and camera, I can say, I don't know what are the cameras you can take, a 72 megapixel or something, something, blah, blah, blah. Now, this person taking this requirement with you. Now, this person is calling to his servant. Servant, you know, right? In East Sangeeta, if you ever gone to the Sangeeta, then you can see the scenario. You can correlate these things. So he's calling his servant, and servant know all those things, right? Be care of this thing. Servant know everything. Where is the particular budget of phones? Where is this kind of configuration phone is available? So servant, now this manager is giving this instruction. Are users, Mr. Servant, I want this kind of, okay, don't give the name as a servant, give some name like XYZ. So he is going to, manager is going to give the instruction to X, I want this kind of phone with this budget, and he's giving all this requirement to this X. And X, what he used to do, he is going to the particular rack, you know, right? Rack, you know. So in each shop there is a rack, right? So he is going to that particular particular rack, and he is going to bring all possible items which is going to match with this requirement, right? This X, and this X is bringing to whom? Manager, and manager is bringing to whom? Showing to whom? To me. Clear है? इतना picture clear है? Any doubt so far? Story समझ में आ रहा है? Are you able to correlate the story? Yes. Now I'm going to correlate these things with the technical perspective, technical point of view. ठीक है? Let's understand. First thing, whenever you are going to deal with your I can say real time scenario, in the real time scenario there is a multiple classes will be there. So what do you mean by the class? Class is the combination, or class is the combination of objects. अभी देखो ये जो शॉप है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक शॉप, it is not like that कि only phone this Sangeeta is only selling the phone. It might be this shop might be can sell television, can sell refrigerator, AC, anything, right? Iron machine, anything. Various varieties are there, right? Many varieties are there. So that Sangeeta can sell anything, right? So electronic shop is kind of class where I can purchase any electronics item. I can purchase any electronics item. Okay? And again, if I want what I can say, cucumber. So where I will go? I will go to the vegetable shop, because in case of inside a vegetable shop, all kind of vegetable we have, like onion is there, potato is there, tomato is there, everything. Brinjal is there, lady fingers are there. All those things are available inside a vegetable shop. So I will select the particular shop. As a user, I should know. As a user, who is a user? Can anyone tell me who is a user? Programmer. This user is nothing but programmer. Means you are a programmer. So programmer is what? Is a user. So user or programmer should know which item I want, on which part I have to work. So I have to select that particular class. So class is what? Class is the collection of object. Okay? Any doubt? Class is the, okay, my camera is here. Class is the collection of objects. Fine. So class is the collection of objects. Okay. So now the things are coming into the picture. This programmer is knowing all those things, which class I have to select. So this is your job. You have to select the particular class, right? Which item you want. Now, this is what? This is what? This is our interpreter. In case of Python, this is our interpreter. See, this person is very kind of, literate person. Means he knows how to convert Hindi to English, English to Urdu, Urdu to Bengali, Bengali to some blah blah blah. He knows everything how to convert. So what he is doing, and this X is not that much of literate person, I can say, but he can understand some of the language, like local language. If you can say, if you are from the Karnataka, then this person is knowing the Kannada. Okay? So what he used to do, I am a North Indian guy, so I can speak in Hindi as well. So I used to give the command and instruction in the form of Hindi to this manager, and manager is trying to convert these things to, so that his employee can able to understand like what I am expecting. Okay? So he is going to translate my instruction to the Kannada, so its name is interpreter. Are you able to understand what you mean by interpreter? ठीक है, interpreter job is only to translate. Okay, now what is this Mr. X? This Mr. X having all the address of that home, of that shop, means this electronic shop is nothing but it's a class. Now I'm going to correlate all those things. This electronic shop is going to abbreviate as a class. ठीक है, this is programmer, I already told you. This is interpreter, I told you. Now this person, let me talk, this is very very important. See, किसी भी company में, in every company who is working at the ground level, like who are working in a support, they are very very important, though they doesn't know technically, but they are very important. सारी कंपनी उसी के ऊपर रिलाय होती है, जितना भी प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनी है. इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द फोन पे, पेटीएम, गूगल पे, व्हाटएवर कंपनीज आर देयर, ऑल कंपनी आर गोइंग टू रिलाई ऑन द सपोर्ट. अगर आपका सपोर्ट अच्छा नहीं है तो आप कैसा ही प्रोडक्ट बना लो, यू कैन नॉट सर्वाइव इन द मार्केट. मेक सेंस? तो दिस पर्सन एक्स इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हियर. सो ही नोज ऑल दोस थिंग्स. अगर आप मुझसे पूछते, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू आस्क, do you know this data where it is going to store? I don't know. Means I am working in some particular domain, some particular module, but the support team is working on entire application, right? तो support वाले को सब पता रहता है, कहां से क्या होगा, कहां से क्या होगा, क्योंकि उनको पता है, अच्छा प्रॉब्लम बैकएंड से है, डील विद दिस पर्सन, प्रॉब्लम विद फ्रंट एंड, डील विद दिस पर्सन. तो सपोर्ट टीम को सब पता है, लेकिन आई डोंट नो ऑल दिस थिंग. तो सपोर्ट नोज ऑल द पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन ऑफ दिस शॉप. अरे ये बात समझ में, आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड? दिस सपोर्ट पर्सन एंड दिस एक्स इज नोन एज द रेफरेंस वेरिएबल. Reference variable which know all the location. So he is going that particular location and he is fetching all those item, whatever things I needed here, and he is bringing to his manager and managers. So now you are able to, you having the enough knowledge about the class, right? And you have enough knowledge about the interpreter, how it is going. Now just coming to the object. Class समझ में आता है, right? Okay. So now in this class there is particular blocks are there where this requirement are stored. So that thing is known as the memory. Now we will talk more about the memory. Don't worry, there is a different kinds of memories are there. ठीक है, we'll discuss all those things in a depth. ठीक है, let me show you one more thing. Okay, now coming to the class. So क्या समझ में आया? class is the blueprint. अभी देखो, इस मैंने आपको क्या बताया कि ये एक बड़ा सा मार्केट है, इसमें डिफरेंट काइंड का शॉप है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक शॉप है, वेजिटेबल शॉप, वी हैव लाइक मेनी शॉप्स आर देयर. तो क्लास इज व्हाट? क्लास इज द ब्लूप्रिंट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स. Blueprint, you know blueprint, what do you mean by the blueprint? Blueprint in the sense of, see, आज मैं मोबाइल बेच रहा हूं, tomorrow I can sell vegetable also. Is it possible, right? So whatever things I will sell, with that my class will identify it. So class is nothing but it's a blueprint of object. Right now I'm selling mobile, tomorrow if the opportunity will come, I will sell the this raffle also. I'm just kidding. So I can sell the raffle also, right? So this shop become a change to the raffle shop, right? So anyway, so class is nothing but it's a blueprint of object. ठीक है? And क्या क्लास सच में स्पेस लेता है मेमोरी? नो, क्लास विल नॉट टेक एनी स्पेस इन द मेमोरी. इसके अंदर जो ऑब्जेक्ट होता है, लाइक मोबाइल ऑब्जेक्ट क्या होता है? नाउ जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द ऑब्जेक्ट. क्या होता है ऑब्जेक्ट? JECT. ऑब्जेक्ट is real time entity which having state and behavior. Which having state and behavior. Are you able to understand what you mean by the state and behavior? Means जिसका सच में कुछ means in the object is what? Real time entity which having some actual state and behavior. Let's suppose I am talking about this mouse. ठीक है, इस माउस का क्या वर्क है? It is a pointing device, it having some shape and it can be exist in this real time. What do you mean by this mobile? This mobile is nothing, it's also real time entity. ठीक है, and what do you mean by this this complete flat? ठीक है, so this flat is known by my name. Okay, if you want to meet with Rajesh, then go in the 4th floor, and in 4th floor there is a one flat, right? So this flat known by with my name. Are you able to understand the things? It's a blueprint only. Tomorrow मेरे जगह पे कोई दूसरा आ जाएगा, like someone else will come, ठीक है, and this flat will name known with that name. Are you making sense? So class is nothing but it's a blueprint of object, and I can say it's a collection of object. See, देखो इस क्लास के अंदर डिफरेंट काइंड के ऑब्जेक्ट है, मोबाइल है, टीवी है, आयरन है, ऑल दोस थिंग्स. सो आई कैन से इट इज कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स. ठीक है. नाउ ऑब्जेक्ट इज व्हाट? एग्जांपल में अगर आपको देखना है तो यू कैन टेक एग्जांपल लाइक मोबाइल. ओहो, is electronics is a class? No, electronic shop is not a class. Again, electronic shop is a electronic shop is a class. Yes, electronic shop is a class, but inside of electronic shop whatever things are there, that is object which having actual state and behavior. Now coming to the our things. Okay. Now here can anyone tell me what is object here? Can anyone tell me please? Object, what is object? We had discussed about the class, programmer, all this thing, interpreter. What is object here in this diagram? Anyone? No one? Don't
Mobile phone.
Yes, exactly. Mobile phone is the object. Why mobile phone is the object? It's really exist in this universe, which having a state and behavior. Its budget is there, screen size is there, RAM, ROM, everything, Android version, OS, all these things, camera, all these things are there, right? So mobile phone is an object. And what are those? These things, budget at all. This is known as the object. Let me mark it as object. And these are what? These are the attribute of object. Attributes of object. Now अब सुनो बात को, अब be focus here. This is known as the object and class. Okay, are you able to understand what is object and class? If anyone in the interview is going to ask what is object and class, so what is class? Class is nothing but it's a blueprint of object which is not taking any space in the memory. देखो, if you are going to create any class, then it is not going to take any space in your hard disk or RAM. ठीक है. So it is a blueprint. So who is taking the space? क्लास के अंदर जो ऑब्जेक्ट होता है, that is going to take actual space in the memory. So whenever you are creating the class, then it will not take any kind of space in the memory. Then it will not take any kind of space in the memory. Take in your mind, keep in your mind. And whenever you are going to create inside of creating some object in the class, then it is occupying some space in the memory. Okay. Now object and class clear hai? Any doubt what is object and class? Now just try to understand what the benefit of that. ठीक है. Let's suppose अभी मुझे मोबाइल चाहिए, right? I went there, I told to this manager, संगीता का मैनेजर, कि मुझे भाई मोबाइल चाहिए, ये बजट है, these are the requirement, these are the features should be there. Done. मैं मोबाइल खरीद के लेके गया and I showed to my friend कि I bought this phone with the Sangeeta. Means not Sangeeta, Sangeeta shop. So I bought this phone from the Sangeeta. So now he told, okay, this phone is very nice. I also want to buy this phone. ठीक है. Just try to understand the concept. देखो, मेरा हर concept will be with the story, because I used to make some story. That's my facilities. If you are able to correlate all those things, if you are in interview, just tell this story, remind this story, your question and answer will get answered. Okay, just try to understand. I told to my friend, I bought this phone with this shop, X and YZ shop, and now my friend is saying, okay, nice, I also want this phone. What he will do? He will go to that shop and he will tell, I want phone. Which phone, sir? Is it budget this? Will he remind this? No. He will just tell, I want this kind of phone, this kind of phone. Or else he can say, just now someone took this phone, right? His name is kind of XYZ and I want that phone only. He will not tell all those things requirement once again, because he cannot remind all those things. He is not that much of technical guy as well. Am I making sense? ठीक है. So he will just tell, okay, I want this kind of phone, or I want the phone which bought by Rajesh or something. ठीक है, I want that phone. If the shopkeeper knows me, then he can easily, okay, Rajesh bought this phone, okay, he will bring that phone. Make sense? So he will bring that phone. So what the benefit is there? I am saving my time to talk these things, right? In the real time, this is the important. You are going to reuse the things what are the we already implemented. Making sense? Any doubt? So object oriented OOPS concept is kind of thing where the code reusability is going to increase. That's all, nothing else. Otherwise you can go with the scripting language as well, but yes, not recommended. Cool. Any doubt? Any doubt so far?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Just a minute. Okay, now we are going to discuss in programming. Okay. Do you want to note down all those things? What is class and object, everything? I will give you the note, don't worry. Okay, now we are going to implement these things in the form of the programming. So now what I'm trying to do, there is a two thing is going on. Either you can create a package is what, it's kind of directory. See, here is the option like a create a Python package, okay? Or else you can create a directory. Why I am going to create? Because this oops concept is completely entirely different from the others concept, okay? So that's what I used to create a separate directory, so it will be easy for you as well to understand the things. Make sense? So what I'm trying to do, just try to understand. I'm going to create one package, or you can say a directory. So package I haven't discussed so far, so I'm not going to talk about the package. I will discuss about in later. And right now I'm going to create a directory, and directory name I'm going to give anything. Oops concept. Oops. It is not like that. Oops. Okay. Okay. So so I let me give some definition about this oops concept, so it will be helpful. And I'm going to create one class, Python file, basic oops. So you can see hash. Okay, you can see what is object oriented programming. Oops is the programming paradigm that allows the abstraction through the concept of, it's very difficult, let it to be. I am not going to discuss about these things. What is oops concept? Oops is nothing but oops is nothing but it is just to reuse, it's just to increase the reusability of the code. That's all. Overall यही है. What do you mean by the oops? Oops is nothing but it is just used to increase the reusability of the code. Okay, now just try to understand how to create a things. Now let me create a class. I am going to create a class. See, अब समझना यहाँ से, it's a very important from now onwards. I'm going to create a class, and class name I'm going to give anything. You can give any name, but in case of Java, don't remind the things. Class name, whatever class name we are creating in the public, we cannot change. But in case of Python, you can change. Have you remember that? If not remember, don't need to remind this. If you are from the Python background, leave the Python background only. So मैंने क्या किया? Let me do one thing. Instead of this test, I can write here mobile shop, SHOP, mobile shop का ये, ठीक है? And I am not passing anything. I'm not entering anything. What I'm doing, I just create one electronic shop, and in that shop I haven't kept anything, means any mobile, any television, any refrigerator, any fan, any kind of thing. I haven't kept anything inside my shop. ठीक है? Inside a shop I haven't kept anything, right? So will it occupy space in the memory? No, it will not occupy any space in the memory. but you cannot skip any block like this. Yesterday only I told you, if you remember. So if I want to create an empty, right now what is that, I don't have that much of money, so I just took a shop, but I want to keep like this shop. So once I will get enough money, then I will invest as a capital in that shop. So it is possible, right? So how you can do, yesterday only I talked about this. So we can do a pass, just write a pass keyword and done. Okay, so I created the shop and now inside of shop I haven't kept anything, just empty shop I created. Should it take any space in the memory? No, it will not occupied any space in the memory. It will not occupied any space in the memory. Okay, any doubt? No doubt. Now so इस डायग्राम को जरा देखो. Let me show you one diagram. Okay, let me show you the diagram once. Just let me stop this. You see this diagram? Are you able to see this diagram? अभी देखो इस शॉप के अंदर कौन आया है, प्रोग्रामर आया है. मीन्स आई केम इन दिस शॉप. I want mobile phone. I want one mobile phone. What I will tell, I will give this requirement. So this manager will call to this person. He is calling this person X person. So how we can call this person? Let's see in programming. So for that we have to create an object. Just a minute. Okay, so now just try to understand what I'm trying to do. I am going to call that third person. A is equal to mobile shop, and here I'm passing nothing, and just call that person. This A is working in this shop. It is saying कि A is working in this shop, मोबाइल शॉप में. अगर मार्केट में बहुत सारे शॉप है, हर शॉप में अपना अपना एक्स है, ठीक है, तो हाउ वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई दिस पर्सन इज वर्किंग इन मोबाइल शॉप और वेजिटेबल शॉप. सो दिस इज सेइंग कि A is working in mobile shop. क्लियर है? नाउ जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. आई वांट टू चेक दिस थिंग. कौन है? टाइप. So A, I'm just printing A and let me execute this code. Oh, sorry. I have to execute this, right? Can you see this? This is the class, means A is the type of the class object, right? So this is done, that is done. Now what I'm trying to do, just try to understand. Now अब मेरे पास इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं था, सो मैंने इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं किया, मेरे पास कैपिटल नहीं थी, सो आई डिडंट डू एनी इन्वेस्टमेंट एट दैट मोमेंट. नाउ आई गॉट इन money. I took a loan somewhere and somewhere with my friend, something blah blah blah, and now I'm trying to invest here. A is equal to, मैं अब इसमें फोन डालने जा रहा हूं इस शॉप के अंदर. कौन सा फोन? सैमसंग. मैंने सैमसंग डाल दिया. आई केप्ट सैमसंग हियर. आ रही बात समझ में? नाउ जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. एक मिनट. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू कीप माई मोबाइल, MOBILE, मोबाइल इज इक्वल टू, मैं दुकान में डालने जा रहा हूं. कौन डालेगा? सर्वेंट डालेगा, एक्स डालेगा, एक्स डॉट मोबाइल. मैं बोल रहा हूं कि ये मोबाइल लो, सैमसंग, SMSUNG, सैमसंग, और इसको मोबाइल वाले प्लेस पे डाल दो. राइट, आई एम सेइंग टेक दिस एंड कीप दिस थिंग्स देयर. राइट, सिमिलरली टीवी, A डॉट टीवी. लो टीवी आया है, इसको टीवी वाले प्लेस पे रख दो. दिस इज टीवी, दिस इज ऑब्जेक्ट, दिस इज ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, एंड वेयर टू कीप? टीवी वाले प्लेस पे. ओके, now I'm saying okay, a dot. Now I'm going to keep what I'm going to happen. Now I want to keep TV हो गया, मोबाइल हो गया, रेफ्रिजरेटर. Keep these things. LG रेफ्रिजरेटर. ठीक है, मैंने शॉप में दुकान सामान डाल दिए. I got money and I kept all those things. Now, if I want to access mobile, so whom I have to call first? I have to call servant. Servant is already called. Now I am going to tell the servant, bring the mobile. So how I can tell to servant? How he will bring? Print A dot mobile. So it will print. ओहो, क्या हो गया? Sorry, it's made a mistake. My mistake, my bad. कैन यू सी दिस? मैंने बोला उसको मोबाइल लाने के लिए, वो सैमसंग लेके आ गया। क्यों? क्योंकि इस दुकान में मोबाइल वाले प्लेस पे क्या रखा हुआ है? सैमसंग। आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड? व्हाट इज द ऑब्जेक्ट? दिस इज नोन एज द ऑब्जेक्ट। व्हाट इज द क्लास? दिस इज द क्लास। मैंने पहले खाली क्लास बनाया क्योंकि मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे। नाउ आई गॉट इन्वेस्टमेंट, आई एम गोइंग टू पास ऑल दोस थिंग्स, नाउ आई कैन एक्सेस। अब मेरे दुकान पे कस्टमर्स आएंगे, देन आई कैन डायरेक्टली कॉल टू माय सर्वेंट एंड सर्वेंट कैन ब्रिंग ऑल दोस थिंग्स। फाइन है? एनी डाउट है? नहीं डाउट है? ओके, ठीक है, ठीक है। अब ये ऐसा भी हो सकता है, राइट? इन वन शॉप देयर माइट बी अ मल्टीपल सर्वेंट, इट इज पॉसिबल। कोई ओके, अगर आप लोग क्रोमा में गए हो क्या कभी? हैव यू एवर गॉन टू द क्रोमा शॉप, क्रोमा शोरूम? नो, राइट? ओके, इन क्रोमा शोरूम इज वेरी फेमस फॉर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक शॉप। सो वहां पे जितने भी कैटेगरी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स है, लाइक रेफ्रिजरेटर के लिए अलग एम्प्लॉय है, अलग सर्वेंट है, एंड मोबाइल के लिए अलग है, और जो भी है आपका वॉशिंग मशीन कैटेगरी के लिए अलग है, टेलीविजन के लिए अलग सर्वेंट्स है, राइट? सो इन वन शॉप देयर माइट बी मल्टीपल सर्वेंट, ठीक है? सो ये मेरा मोबाइल शॉप है। अब मैं क्या कर रहा हूं इसे समझना, ठीक है? बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें हैं, ठीक है? नाउ मैं दूसरा एक सर्वेंट क्रिएट कर रहा हूं यहाँ पे। जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, हाँ, बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। मैं यहाँ पे दूसरा सर्वेंट क्रिएट करता हूँ। एक क्लास में मल्टीपल सर्वेंट हो सकते हैं, एंड दिस सर्वेंट नेम इज A1 और यू कैन से A2, ठीक है? एंड मैं इस सर्वेंट को बोलता हूं, अब मैं इस सर्वेंट से काम करा रहा हूं एंट्री करने का, क्योंकि मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे दैट टाइम, सो आई डिडंट कीप एनीथिंग इन माय शॉप। नाउ आई एम टेलिंग टू दिस सर्वेंट कि A2 अभी तुम क्या करो, यहां पे अभी तुम क्या करो, मोबाइल वाले प्लेस पे ये वाला मोबाइल डाल दो, एप्पल, ठीक है? एंड A2 डॉट क्या डालना है अभी? रेफ्रिजरेटर। अभी हमने LG रेफ्रिजरेटर डाला था, अभी हम वर्लफुल डालेंगे, वर्लफुल रेफ्रिजरेटर डालेंगे, एंड दैट्स ऑल। नाउ if I want to access this Apple or Whirlpool wala refrigerator, so who can access? Who knows this location? A2 knows, right? A2 knows this location. A2 knows this location. So if I want Apple phone, to whom I have to call? A2 servant को call करना होगा, right? A2 dot what? Mobile. आ रही है बात समझ में? नाउ दिस A2 व्हाट इट विल रिटर्न? एप्पल। लेकिन अगर मैं A1 को मोबाइल कॉल करने बोल रहा हूं, A को बोल रहा हूं मोबाइल बुलाने, तो वो कौन सा मोबाइल लेके आ रहा है? सैमसंग। आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड? क्योंकि ही नोज सैमसंग ओनली, बिकॉज उसने एंट्री किया है। क्लियर है? कोई डाउट? एनी डाउट?
Oh, when we access A2, it shows objects sir, like print type A2. So object will come or class will come. Object no sir.
Yes, it will. Okay, if you will print this type of A2, so it will give you the class name only. So you can see it is the worker in this class, mobile shop वाले class का, ठीक है? Any doubt? I will share these things. No worries. कोई डाउट है? If you have any doubt, you just ask me. I am ready to answer this question. I know it's something difficult, but I did my best to I can say to understand you, so that you can ask some cross questions. It's a kind of real time analysis. Means if someone is saying something, then I'm not able to listen. Sorry. Anything you are saying?
Yeah. Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah. I can hear you.
Yeah. So, yeah. So, what is this applicability in the coding perspective? Because suppose in the mobile software is like A is equal to mobile shop, and whatever we gave the name of the class, and after that we put something, suppose A into TV and A. So after that, if I type A, suppose A. So all the things will come together, like TV, refrigerator, or mobile. All these things, the name and everything will come. Or
what you are saying, if you are typing a, ये वाला, right?
हाँ, yeah.
So ये तो सर्वेंट है, राइट? इफ आई एम टाइपिंग ए, देखो समझना आप यहाँ पे, ठीक है, एक बहुत अच्छा चीज है ये। इफ आई एम टाइपिंग ए, तो क्या होता है? कैन यू सी दिस? दिस इज जस्ट सर्वेंट एम्प्लॉय आईडी, एम्प्लॉय आईडी यू कैन ट्रीट ऐसे। सो सर्वेंट आया, अब इस एम्प्लॉय आईडी से इस एम्प्लॉय को जो भी आइटम मैं बोलूंगा बुलाने के लिए, लाने के लिए, दैट विल ब्रिंग, राइट?
Okay.
ओके,
So A type A dot
हाँ,
TV, then it will
Yes.
come TV.
So what is the benefit is there? Can anyone tell me what is the benefit with this approach, class object approach? अभी देखो, अभी ये शॉप के अंदर मालिक को सब पता है कितना कैटेगरी का आइटम है मेरे शॉप में। सो ही इज जस्ट सेइंग, अरे A1 कीप दिस थिंग, कीप सैमसंग मोबाइल इन मोबाइल प्लेस, मोबाइल वाले, ऐसा नहीं कि मोबाइल 1, मोबाइल 2, मोबाइल 3 वाले प्लेस में, एक ही जगह है, एक ही कैटेगरी है और उसमें वो जा करके डाल रहा है। सो दिस इज द बेनिफिट ऑफ द UPS कॉन्सेप्ट। अभी और बेनिफिट है, विल डिस्कस ऑल दोस थिंग, डोंट वरी। इतना
Sir,
यस यस प्लीज।
sir, suppose you had given the example of mobile shop. A servant too, A2 can also bring that A1 product, right? He cannot bring.
Sorry, can come again, come again? No.
No, like suppose A2 is supposed to bring Apple. So if we ask A2 to bring a Samsung, he cannot.
Yes, he can do. Just think about in this direction. If you are going in Sangeeta there is a multiple employees are there, workers are there. So worker, he knows about the Apple phone, so he can directly go to and bring the Apple, but he don't want to go. So what he will do, A2 will call to first A1 क्योंकि उसके नजदीक में है, right? So A2 will call to A1 and he will tell, अरे तेरे लेफ्ट में एप्पल वाला फोन है, bring it, right? So he can do. How he can do? Let's see that as well. Don't worry, everything is possible. How we can do? So let me show you that as well. Okay, A1 dot, अच्छा A है, right? A dot mobile is equal to A2 dot mobile. We can do, right? अब मैंने क्या किया, A2 से A2 को पता है लोकेशन, राइट? मोबाइल, अब मेरा वाला मोबाइल कहाँ है या एप्पल मोबाइल कहाँ है, सो ही इज सेइंग, अरे एप्पल मोबाइल वहां है, ब्रिंग दैट। सो नाउ इफ आई वांट टू एक्सेस प्रिंट A डॉट मोबाइल, आई कैन डू। नाउ ए क्या रिटर्न करेगा मुझे, सैमसंग या मोबाइल, सैमसंग या एप्पल, कौन सा फोन रिटर्न करेगा ये, सैमसंग या इट इज रिटर्निंग एप्पल। अब कौन लेके आ रहा है एप्पल फोन मेरे लिए, ए। इट इज पॉसिबल। Aparna, your question has been answered. Yes.
Sir, understood.
Yeah, please, if you are asking the question, your reply is done, your answer is done, please reply over that. Okay, anyways, now अब तक कोई प्रॉब्लम है? ये तो था जब मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे, मैंने क्लास क्रिएट कर दिया, वैकेंट मतलब, हाँ, so I just created a class, means I just created a shop, I didn't kept anything inside of my shop. That is the thing, that is the scenario. But what will happen if I have already enough money to take a shop as well as bring some item in that, keep some item in that, what will happen? ठीक है, so how we can do? एक और एग्जांपल है मेरे पास, let me show you that as well. ये समझ में आता है, right? Are you able to do this thing, right? Yeah, cool. So again I am doing basic, oops, 1, ठीक है, I am doing this thing, I am going to create one class, empty class, ठीक है, and I am going to create a calling the person servant, means how we can call, you can give any name of the servant of this class. Next I am going to keep the things inside of my class, person class. So like this I am going to do, I can do like this. Okay, what is that? Is it okay? Escape कर. So Alec, and now I'm going to give the surname as well. Now I'm going to give his date of birth. That is also possible. Now, what will happen? Print, if I'm going to do the print John Doe, what it will do? It will, okay, wait a minute. Let me run this code. So it is returning the object address. मतलब कहाँ पे ये सारे object stored है उसका location ये दे रहा है memory में basically. Now, if I want to access the name, how we can access? Can anyone tell me? Print john dot name. I can access this, right? I can access. Now I want to access everything. I want to access everything. Ki what is that? Okay, I want to access everything like this. Ki name, surname. See, name is a string, so percentage string. Space John, Alec Baldwin. So this is also a string. This is also a string. So string was born in the year of. This is an integer type. For integer type we used to keep percentage d and percentage the everything like John dot name and at all. Okay, now if I'm going to execute, now it is giving complete sentence. Alec Baldwin was born in 1958. समझ में आ रही है? Any doubt? What we did here? कोई डाउट? नो डाउट. कूल कूल. नाउ ये तो हो गया, सही है. अभी मुझे इस शॉप के अंदर, लेट्स सपोज मेरा ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक शॉप है, इसमें तो मैंने 2-3 आइटम, वी जस्ट केप 2-3 आइटम. Let's suppose we have 2000, 3000 item. What we will do? Every time we have to call this third person कि ले जा भाई Samsung, LG का 5000 फोन है, 500 फोन है, ले जाओ. So every time we have to call this person and LG1, LG2, LG3 like 500 times we have to call. Is it a good practice? No, it's not a good approach of programming. It's not a good approach of programming. So in order to overcome this problem, we come up with the another approach like constructor. Are you able to understand the problems, what the problems we are doing? What we are doing? Are you able to understand what are the problem we are dealing?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So are you able to understand if we have a 2000 category of device and we want to store all those things in the phone, in my shop. So every time we have to call our servant and servant bring the LG1, LG2, LG3. ऐसा हो सकता है, means we can give 5-3 phone at the same time. We can create a list of 5 or 6 item and we can directly pass to the object, our servant, and servant can store these things in the that particular class. Now, in order to overcome this kind of problem, we are coming up with the constructor concept. What do you mean by the constructor? Okay, chalo. In the basic term, what do you understand by the constructor? I'm not talking about the technical term of the constructor. I'm just asking about the constructor. What do you mean by the constructor? Construct kuch name identify karta, right?
It is used to initialize the
No, I'm
instance.
not talking about the technical thing, please. If you know, then well. Constructor, its name is identifying, ensuring something else, right? Can anyone? अरे इंग्लिश में पूछ रहा भाई कंस्ट्रक्टर का मीनिंग क्या होता है? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द कंस्ट्रक्टर मीनिंग? जस्ट दैट्स ऑल. अच्छा, कंडक्टर का मीनिंग क्या होता है?
construct
Yes.
the things.
Sorry.
Any construction who does.
Yes, exactly. Who? Let's suppose a person who is going to build this strap, this feedback strap. So he's the constructor of this feedback. Okay. So constructor is the person who is going to make a block of your program. समझो इस चीज को. ठीक है. Let's suppose class. I'm going to create a class. अब से कोई भी, no one should write any kind of scripting language. Please make your practice in form of the class and object. ठीक है. It will be helpful. चलो बढ़िया है. Now just try to understand what do you mean by the constructor. Constructor, okay, demo constructor. अरे अभी मैंने क्या कर रहा था, बार बार हम लोग एक क्लास क्रिएट किए एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ द सर्वेंट आई एम गोइंग टू पुट ऑल दोस आइटम विद दैट एंड आई एम गोइंग टू call the object with the help of the same servant. That's all. Now, in order to overcome this kind of problem, constructor came into the picture. What is the constructor? Constructor is nothing but it's a kind of method, but in case of Java, the constructor name always same with the class name, but in case of Python, it is not like that. Constructor name class कोई भी हो, constructor name always will be in the form of the init. ठीक है, init. And now what do you mean by the self? We will discuss about this. As of now, just keep this thing as a blank. Self. Just let it to be. I will tell you what do you mean by the self. ठीक है? अभी समझना इस चीज को, बहुत ही minute thing है. We have to take care of all those things. It's very, very important. Now, I'm going to write here self dot name, and we are passing here Rajesh. Self dot age, we are passing here age, and self dot age हो गया यार, name age, okay, surname, we can just keep here surname, and here I am going to pass here Thakur, and YOP, I just keeping YOP, year of passing, ठीक है? And year of passing is around 2016. Just I'm talking about my bachelor. When I passed out from the bachelor, and I guess in the year of 2019, I did my master's also. That is from the Triple IIT Lucknow. So, and also I am to give university, self dot university. University, and this is Triple IIT Lucknow. चलो अभी समझना बात को, हाँ, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. Now I want to print these things. ठीक है, तो self def print details, and here again self will, let it to be self. I will discuss about the self. ठीक है, whoever from the Java background, they should know about the self. Self is nothing but it's a this keyword. In case of Python, the name is self. Java में वो this keyword के नाम से जाना जाता है. ठीक है, just I'm printing all those things. Print name is comma self dot name, and print मैं सिर्फ surname is, अरे सर जी, self dot कर सकते हैं, right? You can do these things. It's very simple. It's a very, very simple. And print YOP, year of passing is self dot YOP. ठीक है? That's all. And university also. Print university is comma self dot university. आ रही है बात समझ में? Now done. Everything is done. Everything is done. Now whom I have to call? Servant. Who is that servant? You can give anything, any name. OBG. Generally in North India, we used to keep the name of Ramu Kaka. So I want to keep the name of Ramu Kaka only. Demo constructor एंड दैट्स ऑल। अभी समझना, ठीक है। नाउ विद द हेल्प ऑफ द रामू काका आई एम गोइंग टू कॉल दिस प्रिंट डिटेल एंड लेट्स एग्जीक्यूट दिस कोड। कैन यू सी दिस एवरी डिटेल केम राइट? अच्छा, दिस इज अ वेरी स्टैटिक काइंड ऑफ थिंग। अगर मैं रामू काका के जगह पे और कोई नाम याद है? चलो रौनक काका को बुला लेते हैं, रौनक, एंड दिस टाइम डेमो कंस्ट्रक्टर। See, what we are doing here basically, see, constructor is of two type, ठीक है। we will discuss all those things, just try to understand benefit of constructor, ठीक है। then I will discuss about what are the constructor. Theoretical part is very easy. First try to understand why we should learn, then what is that we will learn. First try to understand क्यों हमें पढ़ना चाहिए, तब हम लोग कर लेंगे, सब चीज कर लेंगे, ठीक है। फर्स्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड बेनिफिट ऑफ दैट। सो नाउ विद द हेल्प ऑफ द रौनक काका, अरे सर जी, रौनक काका के साथ अगर हम प्रिंट डिटेल पे जाते हैं एंड व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी, जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, ठीक है। सो रौनक काका भी क्या कर रहा है, सेम चीज प्रिंट करवा रहा है, राइट? व्हाई? बिकॉज इट्स अ हार्ड कोडेड थिंग, ठीक है। अभी एक मैं दूसरा पाइथन क्लास बनाता हूं, पैरामीटराइज कंस्ट्रक्टर, and here we are going to create a class constructor, and I'm going to copy paste all these things. मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूं, मैं जस्ट कॉपी पेस्ट कर रहा हूं यहाँ पे, दैट्स ऑल। नाउ जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, ठीक है। आई एम गोइंग टू कीप द नेम कॉमा सरनेम कॉमा YOP कॉमा यूनिवर्सिटी, ठीक है। और यहाँ पे आई एम गिविंग द नेम and here I am going to give the surname. अभी hard code किया था, right? And here I am going to give what? YOP, ठीक है। And here I am going to give what? University, ठीक है। Now I am going to copy this method only. One second. I am going to pass it here. It's a function, right? Now if I want to call, whom I have to call? सर्वेंट रामू काका। और रामू काका जब कॉल करेंगे तो इट इज थ्रोइंग एन एरर। व्हाई? बिकॉज दिस कंस्ट्रक्टर नीड 4 आर्गुमेंट, नेम, सरनेम, YOP, यूनिवर्सिटी। तो भाई हमको तो पास करना होगा, तो क्या पास करे सर? राजेश, एंड सरनेम इज ठाकुर, and YOP is 2016 and university is in the year of IIT, ठीक है। and still it is throwing an error. Let me share. Okay, sorry, my bad. Okay, cool. Now because Ramu kaka इसके घर में काम करता है, तो we should keep the class name as the same. So what we can do, print, and here what we can do, Ramu dot print details, print details, print details. Now अभी समझना इस चीज को। Let me execute this code. Parameterize constructor, right? Run this code. Now I can get all those things. I am getting all those things, right? Now just try to understand. हाँ, अभी देखो, अब मैं रौनक काका को बुलाता हूँ, या फिर आई एम गोइंग टू कॉल द रामू काका वंस अगेन, ठीक है। एंड दिस टाइम राजेश के जगह पे, राजेश के जगह पे छोटा भीम, अरे छोटा भीम का सरनेम भीम रख देते हैं, एंड छोटा भीम भाई छोटा है तो 2019, ये स्टैनफोर्ड का पढ़ा हुआ है, स्टैनफोर्ड, ठीक है। नाउ रामू काका से फिर प्रिंट डिटेल मांगते हैं। अब रामू काका देखो क्या करता है, समझना इस चीज को। हाँ, अभी फर्स्ट टाइम रामू काका ने मेरे डिटेल को लेके आया, फिर रामू काका सेकंड टाइम क्या लेके आ रहा है, छोटा भीम का डिटेल लेके आ रहा है। आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट वी आर डूइंग? सो कंस्ट्रक्टर इज काइंड ऑफ थिंग with at the run time we can initialize the thing. It is just to initialize the variable, that's all. अभी देखो, अभी आपको एक साथ कितने भी आइटम को डालना है, you can just create object and you can pass the things in the form of bulk and you can initialize the variable at the runtime. Make sense? Any doubt? ठीक है, so this is the one thing I wanted to say you, and yes, that's all I guess. Yeah, now we are going to discuss about this self, and we are going to, so दो तरह के constructor we had discussed. One is parameterized constructor and another is parameterless constructor. What do you mean by the parameterless constructor? This is also known as the default constructor. ठीक है, so default constructor will get call whenever you are going to create an object. ठीक है, whenever you are going to create an object, default constructor will get call automatically. अभी देखो मैं समझाता हूं. New Python file default constructor. That will take more time. चलो बढ़िया है default constructor. And what we are going to do, just a class, I'm going to create a class, sir, default constructor, ठीक है, और मैं सिर्फ कंस्ट्रक्टर को डिफाइन कर रहा हूं, ठीक है, and here I'm just going to call default constructor got call automatically. इस समझना बात को। हाँ, अभी मैं इस मेथड को कॉल नहीं कर रहा हूं, ठीक है, जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। ठीक है, क्या डिफरेंस है डिफॉल्ट कंस्ट्रक्टर और सी डिफॉल्ट कंस्ट्रक्टर काइंड ऑफ मेथड ओनली, बट इसका नाम हमेशा अंडरस्कोर इनिट से होगा, दैट्स ऑल। प्रिंट नॉर्मल मेथड, नॉर्मल अंडरस्कोर मेथड। Most popular question, what is the difference between the constructor and method? Print this is normal method. Now I'm going to create an object obj is equal to sir default constructor, and here I'm going to do, I haven't called any method. Now let me print this. Let me print this. Can you see this default constructor? I haven't called this init method, right? But it automatically got called once I'm creating the object. Makes sense? But this normal method will not get called automatically. We have to explicitly call this normal method. So how we can call the normal method? obj.norml, normal method. It will get called. Koi doubt? Any doubt? Default constructor? It will get called automatically. So difference between the constructor and method, constructor will get called whenever we are going to create an object. Method we have to explicitly call. Parameterized constructor and parameterless constructor. Parameterized constructor, we have to, it's see how we are calling the methods. Yesterday we had, I guess day before yesterday, we had discussed about the methods, right? Functions basically. So function, see बहुत confusing terms है, function and method. Means generally I don't know, some kind of, if you have faced some kind of interview, so generally interviewer used to, what is the difference of method and function? Sir, it is different like that ki how we are talking, like what is the difference between a father and papa, ठीक है, so that is only difference. Now you can understand what is the difference of function and method, both are same. So what is the difference between a father and papa? Can anyone please tell me? No difference, right? So if you are going to create a function inside of class, that will known as the that will known as the method. If you are going to create a function outside the class, that is known as the function. That's all. Any difference? Any doubt? No doubt. If anyone is going to ask this kind of question, give this answer. I gave last two interview, before the two interview, I just given the same answer. It is a different like that. What is a different father and papa? That is the same, right? So someone is used to call like a papa, pops, father, anything, right? So this is the same thing. There is no technical things are there, right? Anyway, so constructor समझ में आता है? Any doubt? Can anyone please give the chat and confirm me whether it is fine or not? So please don't use Hindi and difficulties and all. Okay, Edwin. Yes, thank you for updating. Yeah, I will use this. Thank you. Okay, cool. Thank you for your suggestion. Yeah, no doubt. Okay, cool. I will do that. Generally, I used to make some entertainment over the class so that people should not get sleep there, because all those things are going to be happen at the the things is completely a virtual environment. I never recommend the things to without camera. Always you should attend with camera. So that is the one thing I'm expecting with everyone, because people used to sleep and people used to do the things whatever they having the necessary. But if you take offline class, what is the things is going to happen? एक घंटा ही बैठते हो. If you are taking 1 hour class, you will stick to for the 1 hour. You have to be. You cannot take another task. So that I don't like these things. About these things about the period of the time. So always be punctual with the timing. Always be punctual with the attendance. Means be attend with the physical as well as your mind setup. Okay, mental as well as physically you should be present over the any kind of platform, either it is a virtual or non-virtual. Okay, anyway, that is choice up to you. Just I gave my opinion. Anyways, so constructor part is done, or class and object is done. We have many things to discuss inside of constructor. I guess we will discuss these things in tomorrow session. Okay, so meanwhile, thank you for that's all for today.